Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. We are going to study subject Electrical Substation Practices. Subject code 22633. Department Electrical Engineering. Semester 6. We will study electrical substation practices of semester 6. Today we will study the main parts of the electrical substation and site selection for electrical substation. So, elements of electrical substation. So, first element is that the primary power line side, that is the primary power line side, which is essential. Then second side is that the secondary power lines. Then the equipment which are installed in that substation is that primary power line, ground wire, then overhead wire, that is the overhead line, transformer for measurement of the electric voltage, then disconnected switches as the circuit breaker and different electrical switches which is used for disconnecting the continuity of supply, circuit breakers, current transformer, different types of the lightning arrestor. It may be the on type lightning arrestor, multiple gap lightning arrestor, expulsion type lightning arrestor. So these are the different types of the lightning arrestor which diverts high voltage into the low voltage with the help of the lightning arrestor, main transformer, control buildings, security fence and secondary power lines. So these are the different types of the equipment which are used in the primary as well as the secondary lines of the power systems. Primary lines which is directly connected from overhead line to the 11 kV, then through the transformer with the step down it is converted into the secondary power line side. Then primary power lines, ground wire which is connected from main line to the ground which is for the earthing purpose, which provide protection to electrical substation with the help of the ground wire or neutral wire. Overhead line that is connected from the transmission line to the overhead line. Transformer which device which transfer electric power from one circuit to the another circuit with the help of the transformer, which is used for measurement of electric voltage. Disconnecting switch that is also used for the protection purpose. Different types of the circuit breaker which is used for disconnecting the continuity of supply and used for the protection of electrical substation. Current transformer which is used for the measurement of the current transformer as the current measurement device. Lightning arrestor which is used for the protection from the over voltage. That over voltage are diverted to the earth with the help of lightning arrestor. Means one terminal of lightning arrestor are connected to the overhead line and another terminal are connected to the earth with the help of lightning arrestor. Main transformer which is used to the transmission line and feed to the supply, which that device which transfer electric power from one circuit to another circuit with the help of transformer device, control building, security fence and secondary power lines. So these are the main elements of electrical substations. Next we have to see the which side is essential to install the electrical substation. So that is the point and it is always asked in the exam, give the site selection for electrical substation. That is most important points. Site selection for electrical substation. The site selected for the substation that is near to the load center, keeping in view with future plant. Then we have to select the proper land for the electrical substation. Some general factor to be considered to install the substation. It is near to the load center. Then that substation is having for the smooth movement on the construction machine of electrical equipment, good roadway, as it is always connected to the road or the rail for the transportation facility of electrical equipments. The site selected to the substation that avoid the soil filling, earth removal. So that also the important points for selection of the site of the electrical substation. The requirement of the soil filling and earth removal that take time and increase the total cost of that substation. So we have to avoid that soil filling for selection of sites to the substation. Then historical data of the roast flood is taken into the account to avoid the waterlogging of substation in case of possibility of the flood. The flood plant we have to avoid for selection of the substation. So we have to select the proper area to install the electrical substation which is near to the load plant and always connected to the road or the rail for the transportation of electrical equipment, which reduce the transportation cost of electrical equipment. So that 2 points are important, means always connected to the load center and connected to the transportation facility as road or the rail, which reduce the transportation cost of electrical equipments. So these important points for site selection. We have to see the another points of that site selection of electrical substation. So first, as atmospheric condition, that also the essential, like salt and suspended chemical contaminants. So we have to avoid that area. Selected of the equipments and maintenance requirement. So we have to avoid that salt area and suspended chemical containment zone. We have to avoid that area and select the proper area. Next point is interference with the communication signals. So always connected to the road and the rail. The construction company have to take permission from the appropriate authority. So that is the main points. So before install the substation, we have to take permission from appropriate or proper authority. So take permission from that government authority and then we have to construct the substation. So that is the essential point. The construction company have to take permission from the appropriate authority. That is also the essential point for the site selection of the substation. Next, electric and magnetic field strength are of particular concern, especially for the ultra high voltage. The system is required as 765 kilovolt, 1200 kilovolt or above, which is the range for the ultra high voltage. So that electric and magnetic field strength area of particular concern, especially for the high voltage, which is essential. So we have to take remind of that. Research organization have the strong electric and magnetic field due to the ultra high voltage substation and line on human health. Such new concern and also require to be addressed properly. So we have to address properly with the help of that, take permission from the appropriate authority to construct the company of electrical power supply with the help of electrical substation. So first is that we have to see the proper area to install the electrical substation, which is always connected to the load center and always connected to the road or the rail, which avoid the cost of electrical equipmentation as well as the transportation cost are reduced with the help of that transportation facility. Then take permission from appropriate authority and we have to observe for the high voltage it is 750 kilovolt as well as the 1200 kilovolt or the above. So research organization has shown the impact of the strong electric and magnetic field due to the ultra high voltage. So that ultra voltage directly impact on human health. Next, such new requirement for the electrical substation, we have to take the proper study of electrical device. For forest and land and national park are avoided. Almost all government has laid the rules to comply of approval of the forest land and wildlife structure. The usual process take time to get the approval from the concerned authorities. This process are delay to construct the substation, to construction for activities of the electrical substation. So approval to install the substation will be delayed. Approval is also required from the appropriate authorities to install the substation. Substation always away from the airport and defense. So that is also the essential point. So substation is away from populated area also, as well as away from the airport and defense establishment. Water supply and sewage system are most important. So substation is always located near to the load center and water availability. So these are the main point for the site selection of electrical substation. So which is required to install the substation? So we have to study the proper land near to the load center and take permission from the authority. Avoid the ultra high voltage systems which is directly effects on human health. So these are the main point for the selection of the site of electrical substation, which help to provide the electric power from one substation to the another substation. Thank you.